Hello, fourth grade. Hope everybody's doing well and excited to get started back doing some learning opportunities. This week you focused on two strategies, or you will be focused on two strategies, making 10 and doubling your doubles. Making 10 is just that, remembering that 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, and then we can invert that 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3 plus 2, 9 plus 1. And so really using that purposely as we work with different problems. So in other words, I wouldn't add 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, and I could, but that becomes a little much. What I could say is, well, I know that 2 and 8 is 10. I know 6 and 4 is 10. I know 7 and 3 is 10. I know 5 and 5 is 10. So how many 10s do I have? Well, I have 4 10s, which is an answer of 40. Come down here. 9 and 1 is 10, 8 and 2, 6 and 4. Well, now I only have 3 10s, and then I have a 3 left over, so that would be 33. When I think about 72 and 69, well, I say, well, wait a second. I know that 70 plus 70 is 140. Now, I had 2 greater and 1 less. So actually, if I think about that, 70 was really saying 7D plus 2. 69 was really saying 70 minus 1. If I look at these, 2 minus 1, I have 1 left over, so that would be 141. Kind of like when I say 139 and 141. Well, if I think about 140 minus 1, and then 140 plus 1. I know 140 plus 140 is 280. And I know 1 minus 1 is 0, so actually then 139 plus 141 would be 280. So that's just remembering how to manipulate numbers and make life easier. So it's either making 10s on the top part, or it's doubling your doubles. And again, if you have any questions, please ask. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks.